Talking about the highly anticipated Bharat Biotech's Covaxine, 12 hospitals chosen to conduct the clinical trials of the vaccine prepared to enroll participants this month as samples of the vaccine are still undergoing quality and safety tests at the government facility. The tests, which began last Friday, are expected to be completed by the end of next week and cannot be rushed as they are expected to ensure the vaccine are safe to use in humans, said senior officials. At least 3 of the hospitals, AIIMS in Delhi, SRM Hospital and Research Center in Kanchipuram and King George Hospital in Visakhapatnam, chosen to conduct clinical trials of the Covaxine, are learned to be still awaiting ethics committee approvals to begin enrolling participants for the study. Other hospitals are awaiting site initiation visits and clearances to ensure the facilities are ready to conduct these trials. Depending on the hospital, enrollment of participants is expected to begin between this week and the next. But the testing can only start once they receive stock of the vaccine. This will happen once Bharat Biotech receives a clearance from the Central Drugs Laboratory in Kasoli to use its vaccines in the trials. Meanwhile, PGIMS Rohtak, a site chosen for conducting trials, said that it has started the process of shortlisting volunteers for trials. Once the site initiation letter is received, they will begin collecting blood and urine samples of each prospective participants and send it to a central laboratory to assess whether the candidate is eligible for trial. The delivery of the vaccine will depend on the biosafety and biosterility test conducted at the CDL Kasoli, said a senior government official. For this specific vaccine, the test to check whether it is safe to inject in participants will take 14 days as per Indian and international protocols. The Clinical Trial Registry of India on Monday showed that the date of the first enrollment for the vaccine is now set at July 13, while the Phase 1 and 2 trials are estimated to take 1 year and 3 months. According to the protocol on the registry, the first phase alone will at least take a month, after which interim data will have to be submitted to the Drug Controller General of India before proceeding to the next stage. Some investigators have said that they are under pressures to rush the trials for the sake of a faster launch date. Last week, the Indian Council of Medical Research had faced flak from the scientific community for seeking completion of all trials by August 15, adding that it was envisaged to launch the vaccine for public health use no later than that date. However, ICMR had later clarified that it was only seeking to fast-track clearances and cut red tapeism. Bureau Report.